Hey road runners, today I'll be showing you how to use a net price calculator through the university transfer website. The net price calculator is a helpful tool to determine the amount of aid you will receive to go towards your four-year institution, as well as your out-of-pocket costs not covered by financial aid. To access the net price calculator for CSU, you will scroll down until you see Transfer to a Cal State. You will then scroll until you see CSU Cost. Once you're here, you will scroll down and you will have to select a campus. Today we'll be using San Bernardino. Once you're here, you'll want to follow the 6 simple steps. First, agree. Then you want to select the answers that best fit your situation regarding living arrangement, residency, marital status, the number of people in college, etc. Once you have verified the information is correct, you can see your estimated net price that you may have to pay out of pocket. Please keep in mind that this is just an estimate and does not account for any changes to your yearly FAFSA, any scholarships the university will give, etc. Once you apply to the university and complete your FAFSA, you will get a true amount. Here you can see the estimated total cost of attendance. This includes tuition and fees, estimated room and board charges whether you're living on or off campus, estimated cost of books and supplies, estimated other expenses including gas or other personal expenses, and here you can see the total grant money you may receive towards your cost. At the bottom is an estimated out-of-pocket cost after grants. We recommend scheduling an appointment with a transfer counselor to go over more specific details or concerns regarding the cost of attendance.